So if you guys have been frustrated with how clickbait or just how uncontrolled websites are with just feeding into fear, feeding into whatever, this extension has made my life so much more sane. So I thought I'd make a video talking about it. To understand how websites work, I'm going to give you a word that you're going to hear a lot. It's a simple word called box. From an aesthetic view, websites are literally just boxes and spacing. It's basically all a bunch of boxes and some spacing. Boxes and spacing. Boxes and spacing. Boxes and spacing. Boxes and spacing. What it means is whichever news feed, whichever thing that you really don't want to see, it's basically just another box on the web page. Well, can't we just take that little box out of whatever web page so that way we don't see it? And lo and behold, there is something like this. It's an extension called Ublock Origin. It looks like right now it's only for Chrome. Why is this so useful? Let's go to Twitter. One of my biggest dislikes is this section. It's so big because it's trying to catch your attention. I don't want to see any of this. I want to see the people I follow. If we break it down, look at this. This section literally is just a bunch of boxes. What this extension allows you to do, it allows you to just block that box. Now that box is gone. Same thing with this side. I don't want to see this. See how intrusive this is? I don't want to see this. And I could get rid of it like this, right? But when I refresh it, it's coming back. So now that I turned that on, you see how? It just blocks that box. That's a tongue twister right there. Blocks that box. Now this site, there's a little pop-up here again. It's just a box, right? It's just a box that you can block. So turn this on. Look at that. You see that? It's blocked. The most important thing is it's a content blocker. This is the key. It's not an ad blocker. It's a content blocker. The reason is because you can block more than ads. For example, here, I blocked that newsfeed. So you might ask now, so what makes this special? Why can't I just install regular ad blocks? What makes this special is its customizability because it's a content blocker. It works with people who understand that the internet, the web page is literally just boxes and spaces. So I'm going to show you guys a customizable feature on this extension called the element selector. And what it does is, knowing that you now know that websites are basically all just boxes and spaces, you can tell it to get rid of a specific box if it doesn't automatically do it. That's where the customizability is. Certain news feeds, it's not automatically blocked by this extension, but you can tell it to. This is called the element picker. Watch this. All I'm going to do is, you see, it's telling you what we can block. You see these boxes? So we can block this if we want. We can block this. So you find that box. You could preview it if you want. You see, this is what it looks like if you block it. And I'm going to block this. So now it's never seen again. So this is the place where you create your own filters right here. This is the name of the box. In tech terms, it's called element. This is the name of the element we blocked. I'm just going to leave a comment here. And if you see here, I've blocked the LinkedIn newsfeed. I blocked Facebook stuff. I've blocked other LinkedIn stuff. So if this extension doesn't automatically block certain things that get on your nerves, customize it by using the element picker. Yes, this world's a little crazy, but it's your local browser. You can customize it. That's your right. So if something's getting on your nerve, customize it from your local end. And that's what the Ublock Origin makes it possible. I do not want to see clickbait news. I do not want to see clickbait. I just want to go on a site for the sake of why I used to go on the site. And that's what Ublock Origin has made it possible. So now when I go on LinkedIn, I go on Twitter or whatever, I don't see the stuff that's trying to get me scared or trying to get me riled up because I want to spend how much time I want to spend on a website. You don't manipulate my emotions and whatever to get me to spend longer. So I hope you guys found this little guide / tutorial useful. Go play with Ublock Origin. Let me know what you think. And if you have any questions, maybe I will make a follow-up. Okay, guys. Thank you so much.